Alright, in this video we're going to learn how to create HTML checkbox and radio buttons. So in order to create these checkboxes and radio buttons, you have to create input tag. And input tag, as you can see, it's in self-closing tag, so you don't have another tag here. It's like an image tag, img. The main difference between creating a checkbox and a radio button is for their attribute. So you just give them an attribute type, and then you write checkbox and you create a checkbox. And then for the attribute of radio button, you just write radio in the type attribute. I just also wanted to address that we have another attribute called name. We use that name for our form submissions when we use PHP, but we're not going to cover this in this course. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we have another attribute called name. Alright, let's jump into the action right now. Alright, so you guys go ahead and download the HTML checkbox folder, and now let's open the index. I've opened this with live server as well. So we're going to give a h1 heading and write HTML checkbox, and then also another h1 writing HTML radio button. So in order to create our checkbox, all we have to do is create an input tag, which is a self-closing tag, and just press tab. Now in the type attribute, we just write checkbox. And now you can see we have a checkbox right now. And in order for you to create a radio button, just write input and fill this with radio. And now you have a radio button. And this is how easy it is to create HTML checkboxes and radio buttons when you want to create forms. In the next video, we're going to also talk about input fields.